The biggest financial myth. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I'll start planning once I make more money? If so, you're definitely not alone. In fact, it's one of the most common financial beliefs I hear. Many people believe that earning more money is the missing piece to achieving financial success. And while increasing your income can absolutely create more opportunities, it's not what determines long-term financial success. Because here's the truth, there are people earning six-figure incomes who still struggle financially. And there are people with more modest incomes who consistently build wealth over time. So what's the difference? It's rarely income alone. More often, it's the habits, discipline, and planning behind the income. Today, we're going to break down one of the biggest financial myths and explain why waiting can be costly. And we'll talk about what actually helps people build a stronger financial future. Let's be honest, life gets busy. You're paying bills, managing daily expenses, and saving for vacations. You're taking care of family and maybe paying off debt. So it's easy to think, once I get that raise, once I change jobs, or once my business grows, and then I'll start planning. It sounds logical. After all, more income should make everything easier. But here's what often happens. That raise arrives, then so do higher expenses. Maybe you upgrade your car, move into a larger home, and take on new monthly payments. You spend a little more because it feels affordable. Psychologists even have a name for this: lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending often increases too. Without a plan, earning more doesn't automatically improve your future. It simply gives you more money to manage. Income alone is not the answer. Think about this. Imagine two people both receive a $20,000 annual raise. The first person immediately upgrades their lifestyle. A newer car, more dining out, and more subscriptions. Within a year, nearly every extra dollar is gone. They are back to living paycheck to paycheck. The second person also enjoys some of the raise, but they create a plan first. They increase savings, review long-term goals, and prepare for future expenses intentionally. 5 years later, who is likely in a stronger financial position? Probably the person who had a plan. The income was identical. The habits were different. That's an important distinction to remember. Money creates opportunities. Planning helps you make the most of those opportunities. When people think about financial success, they often focus on income, but success is built on habits. Habits like living within your means and saving consistently. It's about the small daily choices. Habits like reviewing your financial goals and preparing for unexpected expenses. Thinking long-term instead of only short-term. These habits don't require perfection. They require consistency. Think about fitness. Buying expensive equipment doesn't automatically improve your health. Using it consistently does. Financial planning works much the same way. Knowledge helps, but action wins. Small decisions repeated over many years often produce remarkable results. Start where you are. One of the biggest advantages in financial planning isn't necessarily earning the highest income. It's getting started. Time is valuable. The earlier you begin building healthy financial habits, the more growth you create. That doesn't mean you need everything figured out today. You don't need the perfect salary or investment. You simply need to begin. Maybe today that means creating a budget or setting goals. Maybe it's reviewing your savings plan, or simply learning more about financial planning. Progress almost always starts with one small decision. Waiting for the perfect time means waiting too long. There are many things we can't control: the economy, inflation, interest rates, and market conditions. But there are also many things we can control: our spending habits and our savings habits, our willingness to learn, our long-term goals, and our daily financial decisions. Those are the choices that compound over time. Financial success isn't built overnight. It's built through hundreds of thoughtful decisions made consistently over many years. And that's encouraging. It means progress isn't reserved only for the highest earners. It's for everyone. So the next time you say, I'll start planning when I make more money, rethink that idea. Planning helps you turn opportunities into lasting progress. The best time to start is today. If today's video challenged you, we'd love to learn more about your goals and how we can help. We've created a short contact form where you can tell us about your financial priorities and goals. Once you complete it, a member of our team will personally reach out to share resources and strategies. There's no obligation. It's simply an opportunity to start a conversation about your future. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment and complete the form today. It only takes a minute. Before you go, I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you believe success is more income or habits? Leave your answer in the comments, like subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build your future together.